Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Today we're checking into the Radisson Blue Hotel and Suites down in Amsterdam South. I was really excited to see what this 4-star hotel in the Kronenberg area had to offer. So let's head inside and I'll give you the full tour. The check-in was super smooth. I got here just after 3 PM, which is their standard check-in time, by the way. My room was ready, and within minutes I was on my way up. I also love this little touch. Complimentary water, sweets and apples. While we were in the lobby, check this out. They have this really cool 24/7 self-service market. Perfect for when you get a late night snack craving or forget a toothbrush. And how nice is this seating area? Oh, and for those of you driving, they have a massive car park downstairs, which is a huge plus in Amsterdam. Alright, let's go check out the room. My room was on the 8th floor, and I noticed a cool security feature right away. To even get into the hallway from the elevator, you need to scan your key card. It's a great little extra layer of privacy and safety. Okay, wow, so this isn't just a hotel room, it's basically a full apartment. Right when you walk in, there's a little dining table. And over here on the left, a full kitchen. I'm talking cups, plates, pans. This is such a game changer for longer stays, or if you just want to save some money and cook your own meals sometimes. They've also hooked us up with a great coffee and tea station, a toaster and a kettle. Very well stocked. Over in this corner, we've got a super comfy looking sofa, a big wardrobe, which is packed with towels, an iron, and an ironing board. And check out this TV. It's on a swivel so you can watch it from the bed or the couch. There's also this handy tablet that has all the hotel info, room service menus, everything you need. And the bed, seriously comfortable. Now the bathroom is kind of an open plan situation. No door, just this open entrance. It features this really cool, deep circular bathtub, a separate walk-in shower, and the toilet is behind its own door for privacy. So let's talk about the most important meal of the day. Breakfast is served downstairs in the Keuken restaurant. Breakfast runs from 7 to 10 on weekdays and until 11 on weekends. It's a buffet and it's pretty extensive. You've got all the usual suspects: pastries, cold cuts, eggs, bacon. Plenty to fuel up for a day of exploring. You can even get an omelette made by the staff. For those of you who like to stay active on the road, the gym is up on the 10th floor. It's spacious for a hotel gym and has a really good selection of weights and cardio machines. So that's the full tour of the Radisson Blue Hotel and Suites in Amsterdam South. I was really impressed with the apartment-style living and all the little thoughtful touches. If you've stayed here before, let me know your thoughts down in the comments. And if you have any questions at all, just drop them below and I'll do my best to answer. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.